Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So you can adjust both the audio language and video quality directly during playback to match your preferences or internet speed. So first thing, start playing a video, like open primevideo.com. okay. You can also open it on your phone if you have the application on your phone, whether you are using Android or iOS. So select a movie or a show. Okay, for example, let's say that this is the show that I'm interested in. Okay, so tap play. Okay, so settings appear only during playback. So yeah, like this. So change audio language. So now open audio settings. So as you can see here, we have many options. Okay, so while the video is playing, tap screen if you are using mobile, move mouse if you are on the web, press OK or select if you are using TV. So tap audio. Okay, so we have here subtitles and audio. So tap this. Okay, so this opens language options. Select audio language. Okay, as you can see here. So we have audio, we have here Espanol, we have, as you can see, subtitles, and we have audios. Okay, so you can from here change the available audios. Okay, so select, as you can see, for example, any language that you have here. Okay, so you can also change the quality, video quality. Choose from options like as you can see here, so the gear icon or settings menu. Like for example, here we have options. Okay, we have video quality, we have good, we have better, we have best. Okay, so higher quality uses more data, and that's it guys. So thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next tutorial.